Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to bring in and work with your own Revit library next to the comprehensive library of bimobject.com. From the Revit add-in menu, we launch the Design app and navigate to the Discover section. Here, you can access the complete bimobject.com library. For this example, we are looking for a door, so we will use the search bar to find what we want. The flyout offers a quick overview of what to expect from this product in Revit. You can view a 3D version of the file, browse gallery images, and access extended product information and properties. Then I have the option to click Add to Library. Now, let's locate the door in my library in the left menu of the Design app. From your library's main page, you'll find a quick overview of all your files. Clicking on a file opens an in-depth 3D view, complemented by two panels displaying any available types and all associated parameters. From this detailed view, you have the option to download the file or load the family directly into your project. When you have entered your library, you also have the option to upload single files or choose entire folders on your computer. Here, I choose to drag and drop a couple of files that I have locally on my hard drive, because by doing that, I will also get the 3D view and the insights into these files, so it becomes so much easier to work with them from inside the Design app, making my workflow much smoother. The Design app automatically categorizes files based on their Revit categories, allowing for easy filtering. It supports various Revit file formats, but also includes images and PDFs, and offers a search function to quickly locate specific items within the library. You can share the library with up to 3 other users for free by entering their email addresses. They will receive an email inviting them to download the Design app and accept the invitation. Once accepted, they will have complete access to the shared library, allowing them to search, filter, and use the files you have shared with them. The library owner has absolute control over their library, including managing all files and user invitations. They can also personalize the library with a custom descriptive name to clearly indicate its purpose to users, enhancing collaboration and content discovery. You can find and download the Design app for Revit for free at bim.com.